Hello everyone, welcome to BYDFI. Today I will provide a brief explanation on how to register your BYDFI account. First of all, you can visit bydfi.com and on the top right corner, select Get Started to begin registering your account. You can choose to register using an email or phone number and enter your email or phone number, then request for a verification code. First, you need to enter your email address and click the Send button. The code will be sent to your email or SMS. And after that, you can copy the code and paste it in the email or SMS verification code section. Next, enter your password and make sure to include all the capital letters and numbers. After that, don't forget to click on I have agreed and agree to BYDFI's users agreement and privacy policy to continue with the registration process. If you want to receive a 10% discount, you can use a referral code from a BYDFI affiliate partner. And after that, you can click on Get Started once all the required fields are filled in, and your BYDFI account will be successfully created.